So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I'm the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good, everything is working fine on your side, and like always you are ready for a new challenge. Yeah, you heard me correct. So today I am back with the new challenge. So as you those who have joined earlier also, so they must be aware about that whenever I am coming with any new challenge, so of course there is a giveaway also. So like always there is going to be a giveaway for sure. So whosoever will be participating in that one, those who will be helping me to make some profits on the platform, so of course one of them, the luckiest one, will be getting a $10 risk-free trade. I will be explaining that how you can participate in that one. So just stay connected, stay tuned. I will be explaining everything, and the name of the challenge which we are going to have is X in a row. I will try to take couple of trades. I will try to make a streak, and at the same time, in case if I'll manage to book certain profits, then of course you will be able to grab a chance to get some RFTs. Okay, so those who have already joined, I just a quick request, traders, please share the link of this communication of this session with your dear ones, so that they can also participate in that one. They can also get some RFTs, and at the same time they will be able to learn something. Okay, and this is our official channel, so make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live next time, so at least you will be able to get in touch with us. Okay, so traders, we are just about to start within next 1 minute or max to max 30 seconds, and before starting the conversation, I just need a quick confirmation from your side if my audio and video is clear, if everything is sorted. So just confirm me in the comment section so I can just initiate the conversation. And at the same time, this is the link for the Google form. I am going to pin this one also, and let me check if I have pasted in the, okay, so the same link I have pasted in the description section also, so either you can pick it from there or you can just take it from the comment section, whichever is comfortable for you. Thank you so much, Abhinav. Thank you so much for confirmation. Thank you so much, Karthik, for that. Good evening, sir. Excited for the first challenge of same here, Abhinav. Thank you so much. Okay, so without wasting any time, so let me give you a quick insight about that one. So the screen which is visible to you, that is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. So there is a possibility that there might be some traders, those who might be using a like different interface, like they might be using a mobile version. So the technical which I am going to apply today, I'll be taking care of that one, that everyone is able to use that one. So I will be using something from those technicals. Okay, or we can do one thing, we'll start with some easy strategies, and during the conversation I'll try to if required I might change my technical tool also. Okay, so we should go with, I think, traders, if there is any specific requirement, like if any specific strategy you want me to talk about, you can also comment, drop me in the comment section. I will try to use that also. For now, I'll be starting my day with rodeo, and this one stochastic oscillator, MACD, and at the same time we will be taking help from Heikin candle. I might change it to Japanese candle because I am more fond of Japanese candle. Okay, so let me apply this strategy, and all set, everything is all set. Okay, so before we'll start the communication, let me share some details about the today's challenge. So in this one, what exactly I will be looking forward, I will try to take minimum 3 positive trades in a single row. Once we will manage to have 3 positive trades, then a $5 risk-free trade will be unlocked. Then the more profitable trades we will be having, that specific $5 risk-free trade, like if we will be having four positive trades back to back, that $5 RFT will become 6, 7, 8, and that will be keep on increasing. And like other sessions, like there is a maximum RFT of $10, but in this one there are no such foundation. So we will try to make the maximum or the longest streak. Okay, so we'll try to do that one. And let me see. Okay, so there is one request that SMA RSI please, or Abhinav is asking to use Millennium. Okay, let's try to have a look on Millennium first, and then we will try to use, oh sorry, I applied the barcode. Okay, so in this one, in Millennium, we are going to pick the DPO. Here we go. So I am sure that I have cleared everything about the today's challenge. The link I have already shared. Once you will click on that link, you will be finding that's a screen like this one. All you just need to put your answer. Sorry, here it's going to be your trader ID, asset name, and the time duration, and again the direction. Once you will click on submit, that window will be, or that screen will be available here. Then I will be picking some signals. I will be taking trades on them. Whichever trades will go positive, I will highlight them also. We'll try to make maximum profits, maximum profitable trades, and whichever signal I will be picking, I will be putting them all in a specific, what we call wheel of fortune, and whosoever will be the selected one, the winner one, will be getting that specific RFT, which we will be able to unlock. Okay, so without making any further ado, let's start our today's session. So the first signal we got for Dogecoin OTC, and the set of rule we have already applied, so we have to be quick enough. Okay, so in Dogecoin, okay, so we can expect a movement in the upward direction. Let's see. So in if I talk about Millennium strategy, so how exactly it works, so you are supposed to consider the color of the candles. So green market up, red market down. At the same time, you will be taking the help from the DPO. So if the DPO bars are above zero level, market can move into the upward direction. If below, market can move into the downward. We'll wait for the confirmation, then we will be executing our trade, because this first trade is looking a bit negative, but we need to stay focused for that. Let me reduce my trade amount also. Okay, suggested time frame for this strategy, minimum chart time frame is 1 minute, and the trade time frame will be 2 to 3 candles. Okay, so the second one, let's pick on Mahajantram. Let me highlight them as well side by side. Okay, this then the second one is Mahajantram. I might be skipping a few signals. Okay. So let's see if I'll find any signal in this one. Okay, Doge was down, but I picked a trade in the upward. Okay, let's see. Quite late. No worries. Let's pick from the bottom. Let's pick from the beginning. So Bitcoin OTC. Irrespective of the strategy, traders, we do not need to bother about that which technique, which asset we are going to pick. We will be just focusing on the same set of rule. So the Bitcoin OTC is 5 minute up. Traders, try to give me signals at least for 2 to 3 minutes, because the longer duration it is going to be, the more time it is going to take. Okay, so Bitcoin up 5 minute. Market is looking. Let's have a. Okay, so we have picked this one also. Let me highlight. Oh, sorry, this one. And AUD USD OTC 1 minute down. AUD USD OTC. Okay, so this one is for 1 minute, so we need to analyze the chart at least for 30 seconds. No, in this one I don't think we should pick this signal. We need to wait a bit, or we can try another approach also. Okay, on that basis I can think about a trade in the downward direction. The reason why I have executed this trade, because there is a resistance level, so if this level will be breached, market can continue in that same. It is, this level is getting breached, this level is getting breached. Let me execute one more trade to recover whatever I have lost. Okay, let's move back to the previous amount. Okay, so again Asia Composite down. Asia Composite down, and that is for 2 minutes. Let's try. Okay, so Asia Composite down. Okay, so these DPOs bars are below zero level. They are stating that the market can continue in the downward direction, but we are not sure that for how long it will continue. Let's move to the high Kanashi candles also. It's looking like, let's try this one also, and after that I will be having a look on the trades also. Okay, so far we have tried to executed a few trades, dodge negative. If we have focused on the direction that was supposed to go positive. AUD USD, that was no profit no loss. Okay, we have used the RFT. Okay, things are not looking good. I think we need to just make a pause and we need to focus on the another part also. Let's do one thing. Let's try to change the strategy. Okay, even it's about to 7, so US market is about to open. What I will be picking now, let's pick something. Let's try Friday, and along with Friday I will be adding a stochastic also. Okay, so in Friday we will be focusing on the EMAs, and in whichever direction the lower frequency is going to intersect, that the higher one, that can be the direction of the market. Now traders, before coming to that, before using this strategy, a couple of information, like a bit of information I want to share with you. See, it's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial or fully capital loss, so you need to take care of that thing also. You need to focus on your learning part as well. Sometimes there might be some days you might be facing negative results like I am facing back to back, so you need to stay calm. It's completely fine. Market is not going to be finished by tonight, so of course it will be open by tomorrow again. So in case if you will be making some losses, hold your horses, hold your capital and use it tomorrow. This is the best advice which I can give you. Second thing, all the trades whichever I am going to take during this session or I have taken in the past, everything is going to be my responsibility. I will be the one responsible for my own trades. Everything is depending on my skill set. Third thing, all the trades, like even though this session is live, but still there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 25 second, 30 second to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the whichever trades I will be taking in front of you right away, that will be visible to you after some time. So please try to avoid copy trading. And the last and the most useful, most important point, these are just some mathematical based technical tools. So 100% accuracy is not promised at all. So whatever the strategies you are going to pick from here, from your personal analyst, from any XYZ source, make sure you use it wisely. You use it on your demo account first. Once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, then take it to your live account. Okay, so let's move back to the signals. So cricket composite, I think, let's see, cricket composite index, and what's the direction? 2 minute up. Okay, market moving downward, not looking that good. As per the strategy, it can take some time for the generation of the signal. No worries, we can skip that one. AUD JPY OTC 1 minute down. AUD JPY OTC 1 minute down. Okay, so let's have a look on that one. This one can work in our favor. That might, let's analyze this one for at least 30 seconds. There is a possibility that the market might move downward. The reason behind why I have picked this signal, I have picked this one on the basis of stochastic. So in this one, stochastic, like if those who are not aware about stochastic, or there was one trader who was asking to use the RSI. So this is something similar to stochastic RSI. Both of them are similar. So both of them are going to work on the overbought and oversold zones. Okay, so whenever the market is in the overbought zone or in the oversold zone, then we can expect a price correction. Price correction means if the market is above this level or below this level, then we can expect some price correction. That means if the market is keep on moving downward direction, then market can change the direction in the upward, or at the same time, if the market is keep on moving in the upward direction, then market can change this direction and start moving downward. So this technical tool I have applied just to stay away, or just to grab a hold on the uncertain market reversals. If you have focus, so this strategy is a trend following, but this technical tool is a counter trend. The reason why I have picked this one, so in case if I will be getting any signal like this one to move in the direction of the market, but at the same time if I will be observing that the market is either in the overbought zone, or if I am getting a signal in the downward direction like this one, but market was already in the oversold zone, so that will be telling me that the market can change the direction, so I can avoid taking trades on that one. And this is something which you can observe that it exactly happened also. Even though signal was there, but market was in the oversold zone. The previous signal was on this level, but at that time the market was in the normal zone, so that can be considered, but this one was a dicey. So this is something, these are the precautions which you can use. So while using these things, of course number of signals might reduce, but that will help you to improve your accuracy. And I'm sure that this is the only focus which every trader is having. That is completely fine, take less trade, but accuracy should be there. Let me take a few comments and then we will be coming back to the list of signals. Okay, so hello everyone. Sir, silver में क्या होगा? Animesh Sony ji, silver is too unpredictable because it is keep on moving here and there. There was a very nice correction. There was a very nice point to buy that silver, but again that is correcting itself. That happened in the past also, long ago. That market in silver, the market hit a very nice price, very high price, and again that came back to 80,000. So I am expecting that could be this similar situation, but nothing can be assured. Okay, so this is just a analysis which I am expecting. This is not a financial advice, so you need to check the overall market before making any investment. Sir, बकवास से ज़्यादा ट्रेड कीजिए. Noor ji, I'm so sorry, I'm not getting your comment. Can you just mention it again? Okay, so let me see. ये सर बकवास है, सिप में खुश रहो. See sir, that is completely fine. That is completely depending on your set of goal, like how much you want to make, how much security or how much risk you can take, and that is completely up to you. Increase silver leverage, sir, that is completely depending on the market liquidity and so many different assets. So that these are the things which are considered, and on that basis that is keep on changing. I deposited on 23rd Jan $200. BD Technical ji, I request you just connect with the support team. Just drop an email to support-en@olymptrade.com. They will be taking care of that one. I'm so sorry, it took a lot of time, but just connect with them. किसी का अमीर बनना है मुझे DM करें. Okay. Sir, you selected the wrong direction for Dogecoin as per from. Yeah, exactly, Abhinav. I observed that also, that in form also it was mentioned down, but I observed that the signal is for the up, so I picked that one and I made a loss. No worries. इस level तक Noorji, see, that is completely fine if you're not comfortable with that one, but I believe if another traders are comfortable with that one, they can take sessions, and if you're not that comfortable, you can just learn about the market, whatever is happening. And I'm so sorry, today's conversation is basically for the English speaking community, so if you're more comfortable in Hindi, Tuesday and Thursday, same channels on this one, Olymptrade Practice, we are conducting sessions in Hindi also. Sir, at 6:45 there is ADP NFP data is being released. Please try to show market effect. I'm so sorry, Abhinav ji, like I'll not be able to open that specific window so that we can have a look on that one. Even I was also expecting that there might be some important data floated, but due to this session I was not able to grab a hold. Sir, sometime deposit not come. Ankush, if ever any of your deposit is missing, just connect with the support team, share a screenshot with them of your transaction. Make sure receiver detail, sender detail, date, time and amount along with the transaction ID. Everything should be visible in that screenshot, and then share it with the support team, support-en@olymptrade.com, and they will be taking care of that. Any of your deposit, make sure you connect with them. Just let them know, sir, this is the amount which is stuck. They will do. I feel Kingsley Same request to you also. I need signal. Murugan Nathji, I'm so sorry. Here we are going to help you only with the technicals. We will not be sharing any signal, because the reason being, as I have already mentioned, that there is a telecast gap. So if possible, even though if I will be sharing some signal, that will be available to you after some time. Ajay ji is saying that let's talk, let's have more trades and let's talk. Of course, that is completely accepted, Ajay. But the thing is that there are some traders, those who are having some doubts, so I have to take care of that one. I'm just learning trading. I need guidance. Most pro, I'm happy to see that you are ready to invest some time also, because I'm always used to say trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So make sure you invest enough time. You can subscribe this channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live next, of course you will be able to connect with us. Let's take a few more trades and then we will go back to the comment section. Okay, so let's pick the nearest one, the last one, Asia Composite 2 minute down. Okay, so Asia Composite 2 minute down. So for that one I will try to analyze chart for at least 1 minute. The signal is there, but that is for upward trade. Even though if I'll check a couple of candles before also, no signals to take a trade in the downward, because market was somewhere in the oversold zone. No worries, let's try to pick GBP CAD OTC 1 minute down. Okay, GBP CAD OTC 1 minute down. For that one, let's analyze the chart. This can be a nice signal, because market is in the oversold zone from a very overbought zone from a very long time. Market can correct itself, but not sure that when it will start making some correction. Okay, this can be considered as the resistance. Let's try have a trade on this one, GBP CAD. Let me highlight this one also. So whichever asset, whichever signal I have taken, I will be highlighting those one, and I will be taking all of them to the wheel of fortune, and one will be the selected one who will be the winner for the trade, for the RFT. Okay, so far let me see how many positive trades we have. So one is already there, second one is in the pipeline, so let's highlight at least 2 bulbs. So I am expecting for the third one, and if the third trade will go positive, then we will be able to unlock one first $5 RFT. Then we will try to increase that amount. The more positive trades, the more chances to have a bigger RFT. Okay, so USD CHF OTC. Now we have to be more cautious, because 2 back-to-back positive trades, very nice. So here we go. So next 2 back-to-back positive trades are already there. Now we have to be more cautious, because this is the third trade. If this trade will go positive, $5 RFT will be unlocked. So at least there is going to be a giveaway for $5 RFT for sure. So this one, USD CHF OTC, let's pick, let's see. USD CHF OTC, 91% profitability is there. We can think about it, but not sure. 2 minute down. Let's have a look for 1 minute also. Signal is there. I'm not saying that signal is not there, but that was quite earlier. At the same time, market is in the oversold zone, so I think we should skip this one. CAD CHF OTC 2 minute up. CAD CHF OTC. CAD CHF. And traders, understand one thing, today both of us are in the same team, so you need to help me to make more and more profit, so that I will be able to unlock the maximum value of risk-free trade. No signal on that one also, specifically in the upward direction. That can be there, but not exactly right away. The reason being, market is already in the oversold zone, so market can change the direction, but not sure when exactly it will happen. So let's skip this one also. Heatherji, I request you just put the asset name and your trader ID, not your name. Okay, Asia Composite. Let's pick the nearest one. Asia Composite. What's the signal? 2 minute down. Asia Composite. No, we can think about taking a trade, but for the upward. Market is in the oversold zone. No signal from the Friday strategy. GBP JPY OTC, GBP JPY OTC. 1 minute down, we can think about it. This one is looking good so far. No, market is back from this zone. Not sure. Sorry traders, the reason like why I am taking so much precaution, because the reason behind it, if even a single trade will go negative now, then again we need to take a streak for three positive trades just to unlock one RFT. So AUD CAD OTC, let's have a look. AUD CAD OTC, and what's the signal? 1 minute up. This one again, signal is there, either that was on this level or now the trade can be considered, but in the downward direction. Astro Index 1 minute. Heatherji again requesting select the asset name, not your name please. Astro Index 1 minute down. Let's see. Astro Index 1 minute down. This one can be. Market is trying to recover itself, but I am expecting that market might continue in the downward direction. Let's hit it. So we have executed our third trade in Astro Index downward, 1 minute, $10. And let's see if this trade will go positive, because if this trade will go positive, at least we will be able to unlock our $5 risk-free trade. So let's see if this one will go positive. I'm expecting that this should go positive. There is a resistance level also, so that might try to hold the market in our favor. How much time still we have? Almost 26 seconds to go, and that market is still stuck. No. 15 seconds, and 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Here we go. Finally. So traders, finally we managed to unlock one $5 RFT. So all three bulbs are lightened up. So let's try to increase it now. So at least $5 risk-free trade giveaway is going to be there. Those who have just entered into the session, or those who have just started the session, so you can do one thing, just pick the link from that description side, or you can pick it from the comment section. All you just need to open that link, and again I'm helping you with all your concerns, like those who are adding the incorrect details. So you need to put your trader ID, this one, whatever is your trader ID, just paste it here, paste the asset name, timing and direction, and then click on submit. Once you will do that one, that will be in my bucket, that will be available here. Then I will be trying to execute trade on that one. If that trade will go positive, good to go. If negative, still I will be the one who will be bearing those losses, but you can be the luckiest one who will be getting a minimum $5 RFT for sure. Now I am going to try to increase it. Let's try to pick Litecoin OTC. Okay, so for this last trade we have struggled a lot. We have tried to take so much precaution so that we can at least make that profitable trade. Okay, so 1 minute downward, there was a signal on this direction at this moment, but right away there is nothing like that. No worries. Thank you so much traders, thank you so much that you are participating so rigorously. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so Astro Composite, we can pick Litecoin 2 minute up. We can think about it. Litecoin 2 minute up. On the basis of 2 minute, that is not looking that good. 2 minute up. No. And which one is Astro? Astro 1 minute down. Let's have a look on Astro also. It's already Astro 1 minute down. This can be considered. This can be considered. Let's have a try. The signal was somewhere on at the beginning of this candle, but we tried to grab that opportunity. We are a bit late, but let's see if this trade will go positive. I might double up my position, and let's do one more thing. Let's do one thing, that let's try to change our weapon set. So what I will be doing, instead of Friday strategy, now I will be using the another strategy. I will be applying a new set of rule. Let's try Jack. So in this one we are going to use SMAs, 3 different SMAs with the frequency of 200, 150, and at the same time I will be adding this one of my favorite stochastic again. We can pick RSI also. So let's pick let me pick the stochastic itself, because with RSI sometimes traders might get confused that which frequency we should pick one. So let's try that one. So if I'll give you a quick example about that how Jactar strategy works. So in this one, Jactar is going to, like, there are 3 different SMAs, 200, 100 and 50. So unfortunately the trade was negative, so we need to start from the beginning. At least $5 RFT is unlocked. Yeah, so let me give you a bit information about this strategy, how exactly it works. So in this one, these 3 SMAs, they are going to work as the support or resistance. So what exactly I am trying to say, if the market is coming from the upward direction towards any SMA, so then that level, that SMA can act as a support. Means that market can either breach that level and continue in the same direction or bounce back. If the market is coming from the downward direction like this one, then this will act as a resistance. If this level will be breached, market can continue. If not, market can bounce back. So we need to wait for the completion of the candle. Completion of the candle means like when the candle is completed, so we need to analyze that whether the completion was below this level or above this level. But you need to make sure that also that these candles should be near to the these SIs. And this suggested minimum time frame is 1 minute. You can also consider 30 seconds also, and suggested time frame is 2 to 6 candles. So if your chart time frame is 30 seconds, you can take a trade up to 2 minutes, or even you can consider it for a 3 minute trade also. Okay, so let's try to use this strategy now. And okay, very nice, very nice. So many signals are there. Let me pick the compound index. Let's pick compound index. Traders, I'm so sorry if I'm skipping some signal, because sometime I have to share a few more important points which I'm sure that might be useful for you. Okay, so compound index 2 minute down. Compound index 2 minute down. We can consider stochastic 2 minute down. Let's analyze this one for 1 minute. Compound index 2 minute down. We can think about it. Okay, so first trade, compound index 2 minute down, already executed. Let me highlight this one also. Deepak ji, again requesting you, please select the asset name. AUD CHF OTC 1 minute down. Okay, so AUD CHF OTC 1 minute down. So for this one, let's this one is looking good. This one is looking good. We can, if we would have entered a bit earlier, that would be a better direction. That I have picked on the basis of stochastic. So market is coming back from the overbought zone. So that is a thing that I have picked that signal. Let's see how these 2 trades will close. And Santoshi ji, again requesting you, those who it's a quick request to all the traders, those who have just participated. So make sure you do not add your name, just select the asset name, because then you will be able to help me that on which asset I need to take a trade. Okay, so compound index was a positive, and this one is also looking nice. Let's see, we are at the edge, but that might go positive. Let's see. And let me take at least a few more comments. I'm so sorry traders, those who are waiting for their response. Yes, Abhinav, finally $5 RFT is at least unlocked, so of course we will be able to make a giveaway for $5. Okay, so deposit will not be credited to my Olymptrade account. Kingo Sky, whichever deposit is stuck, like whichever amount is pending, just connect with the support team and they will be helping you with that one. Ajay ji, I am sure that you can see that how many trades went positive. Okay, so AUD CHF was also positive, very nice. So let's try to make another streak. I think we can make at least 4 positive trade, and let's pick this one, USD GBP OTC 1 minute down. Okay, so USD GBP, wait, is USD JPY. I think someone has selected the like they have mentioned incorrect one. Let's have a look on that one, USD and JPY, if it is there, if any signal is there. 1 minute down, we can think about that one, because see, we can see that the market is stuck somewhere on this level. Let's see if this trade will go positive. 1 minute USD JPY, we have picked it as a USD JPY. Okay, Euro CAD OTC 2 minute up. Euro CAD, okay, OTC, what was the signal? Sorry, I missed it. Euro CAD 2 minute up. Not sure about that one, because market breached this level, and market can change the direction also, but we are not sure. But market is moving in our favor. If this candle will close in the upward direction, we can pick a trade in there. Let's see. So this one, USD JPY, that went positive. Here we go. So again, we are back with the streak of 3 back-to-back positive trades. Let's see if this one will go positive. This one is looking quite dicey. The reason being, market try to breach that level, market succeed also. At the same time, market is in the oversold zone also. So I'm expecting that market should change direction in the upward. Let's see. At least if this trade will go positive, we will be having 4 back-to-back positive trades. So that $5 RFT will become a $6 RFT giveaway. Let me take a few more comments. Okay, Ram Ganesh ji, I'm so sorry that you are waiting for your deposit from a very long time. Just requesting you connect with the support team. Make sure you check their email also, like sometime they are asking you for some documents. So make sure you forward those documents on priority and they will be taken care of. Mahajantram आपने लगाया है नहीं. Rishabh ji, I'm not sure like which Mahajantram you were talking about. I'm not sure if I have executed that trade, but I'm so sorry if I missed. Sir, please tell something about silver. Animesh ji, as I have already mentioned that so many things those who are affecting market, like that trade treaty, after that so much data floated into the market, so many big shorts, they are trying to liquidate their assets because dollar is trying to boom up. It's not a financial advice. I'm just giving you a quick overview about that, what exactly is happening in the market. So that could be the reason that so much supply is there, and as a result, like demand is less, supply is there, and as a result, the prices are fluctuating. That could be a bubble also. So nothing is sure. Okay, so that trade went negative. I was expecting that we will be able to unlock our $6 RFT, but we missed it. No worries. Still we have some time, but I need to take all the comments before we will take another trade. Okay, so here I have missed. Traders, if I have missed any of your comment, please paste it again in the at the bottom so that I can pick it. Sir, signal waiting. Lock forward. I'm so sorry, but I'm not here to give you signal. I'm just helping you with all your trading concerns and some set of rules which you can pick. And traders, one more thing, you might have observed that I am taking back-to-back trades. The reason behind it, that I want to showcase that how these strategies work, how the mindset should be when you have a different set of rule, that whether you are when you are planning to make back-to-back profits, when you are making back-to-back losses. So what should be your mental stability, that how you should hold your horses, when how you should control yourself, so that, like, see, you guys are the one, those who are helping me with the signal. So sometime you might be getting information from here and there. You need to be the one who will be selecting that which one to be picked, which one to be avoided. So this is the mindset which we are trying to share with you when we are working on this challenge, specifically Exinaru. So you need to also focus on that one. At the same time, I have a compulsion that I have to showcase that how exactly it works, but for you there are no such compulsions. So you need to work on one thing, that wait for the result, wait for one trade result. If the trade is positive, good to see. If you want to increase the amount, use your money management. If the trade is negative, that is completely fine, accept it, and you should reduce the amount. Then use your risk management, because these are the things which we should always consider whenever we are trading. And it's not only about Olymptrade. In whichever platform you are doing, make sure you should take care of it. Okay, so AUD JPY you told profitable. Look forward. AUD JPY, AUD CHF, the one we took. AUD JPY, that was also profit. Okay, hi, hello sir. आप VIP group चलाते हो क्या? Ajay ji, we are from the VIP department. So like if you are talking about that in the company, so we are from the VIP department, those who are taking care of all your trading concerns. So if you are on the expert level traders, let me share this information also. I'm sure that you will be glad to know about that, those who are not well aware about that. So we are giving services in different formats to help our traders in their trading concerns. So the first one is via YouTube. We have this channel where we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages. So whichever language you are comfortable with, Hindi, English, Portuguese, Thai, Arabic, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, and join these sessions, so that we will be able to help you with all your trading concerns. Apart from that, for the expert level holders, we are also conducting group Zoom sessions and one-to-one Zoom sessions. Those who are not taking sessions so far, or those who haven't grabbed that opportunity, let me give some information about that. So we have a team of which is called as VIP department. So we have n number of analysts here, those who are conducting one-to-one sessions. These sessions are going to be free. Let me clear on that thing first. Second thing, these are going to be one-to-one communication. So you and your analyst will be there on a Zoom communication, where they will be sharing their screen, talking about different technical strategies, market news, market updates, just to help you in your trading concerns. And as I have mentioned, these are one-to-one. So if you will be having any doubt, question, query, you can ask them then and there. So those who have reached on the expert level, make sure your contact number should be updated on your platform, on your account, so that we can connect you. And again, I'm repeating myself, we are not asking you to pay anything ever to anyone. So if somebody is asking to pay you something and they are stating they are from Olymptrade, make sure that call is not from our side. Okay, and those who are on expert level but they are not able to receive the call, because we are calling from an international number +44, and you missed that communication, or that call went to the spam, or because of any XYZ reason you're not able to update your contact number. And even though if you have lost that expert level, now from expert again you are back to advanced or starter, still if you can avail that service. For that, all you just need to do one thing: drop a message, email to support team. Tell them, sir, we need help in trading. Please raise a callback request. If you are not able to share, update your contact number, share it with the support team. Please avoid sharing your personal details in the comment section. Just share it with the support team. Tell them, sir, I need help in trading. Please raise a callback request, because once you will be mentioning trading word, that request will come to my department. Someone from my department will come into the picture. We will give you a call and we will be aligning you with your financial analyst. And again, I am repeating myself, these all sessions are going to be free. No need to pay anything ever to anyone. So those friends, those who have reached on the expert level, or those who were on the expert level but they were not able to grab that opportunity, make sure you take benefit of that, and I'm sure you will be able to learn a lot from that. Sanjay Baloch, I'm so sorry. Today's conversation is only for the English speaker community. So, in case if you're more comfortable with Hindi or Urdu, just connect with on the same channel tomorrow, and that will be at 4 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So, you will be able to connect with the Hindi speaker. Okay, so let me take a few more comments. Okay. How many time taking withdrawal? Faizan, so the standard time frame for a withdrawal is 24 hours to 5 working days. Majority of the withdrawals are processed within 24 hours. But if something is taking time, I just request you stay calm. It will be processed shortly. Okay, today I think there are many participants. Please try to distribute these RFT first. Abhinav, I wish I could do, but so far, as per the set of rule, we are able to give only one RFT. So there is going to be one giveaway only. So I'm so sorry for that, but I'll think about it. I'll might come up with more in the upcoming session. Again, 3 consecutive $10 activity. No, Abhinav. So what exactly, how exactly it works? 3 back-to-back trades, $5. If I'll make 4 positive trade, 6, 7, 8, and whichever is going to be the maximum amount, that one RFT will be as a giveaway. So one $5 RFT is there. But still, traders, I am so glad to see that so many traders have participated in that one, because initially there was less entries, so I was planning to discontinue that format, but then I thought that let's try it again for at least for a short span, and I am glad to see that so many traders are actively participating in that one. So I believe that I will be continuing that format, that these challenges and everything. Okay, Karthik ji, thank you so much. If you gave some signals, I'm sure that I have used that also. I gave a signals, go fast. Karthik ji, I'm not sure if we will be able to take further trades because it's about to end. So I'm just trying to close this one. Okay, sir, Bill William Fractile पर कुछ बताएं कैसे काम करता है सर. Let me show you how exactly it works. See, if I'll try to pick the Bill William one also, so what exactly it works, so that is going to help you with the market volume, like the way which I used to do that one. So that is going to pick the volume, that what is the direction or what can be the direction. I'll not be picking the only Bill William. So to use that one, I will be adding some more technicals also, so that I will be getting more and more confirmation. It's like that, like you are moving from one state to another state and you are not going to rely on one specific person direction. So you might try to get the confirmation from some another sources also. So this is something which you can pick. Okay, and just Karthik ji, just let me know the Kyamuddin Sheikh ji. Kyamuddin ji, just let me know the same comment. Just give me the same comment in the next coming session, in the beginning of the session. So I will try to explain it in a better way so that you will be able to grab. Let's have a look at today's winner list. Of course, Abhinav. Why currency pairs profit less now, 80% to 10%? See, Prince Raghav, that is completely depending on the volatility plus the liquidity and n number of factors. So that is keep on shuffling, that is keep on moving from higher to lower, lower to higher. So that's how exactly it works. So it's not like that it will remain the minimum or it will remain the highest one. There is nothing like that. I'm so sorry, traders. I can see that so many signals were there, so many opportunities were there to make profit, but I was not able to grab them. I'm so sorry for that. But let's pick at least those who we have selected. Just give me a second. Let me take all of them. So these are the signals which we have picked so far in today's session. So I'm sure these all of them are with us. Okay, so traders, what I will be doing, so I have an internal software. In that one I will be pasting all these trader IDs and then I will be picking one winner. Like system will be picking one winner out of them and system will write as a winner of that. Let me show you that also. So just give me a second. Okay, Okay, so this is the this is it. So how exactly it is showing you? I have pasted all the links. So the higher percentage once means that I have selected more signals from these trader IDs. Okay, now I will run that query, and that query will select one winner out of them. That is going to be on its own algorithm. I am not going to intervene in that one. So whichever is going to be the winner, that will be written as a win. So let's see, let me click on start. And okay, so today's trader ID which won today's RFT for worth $5, that is 1125945547. I'm repeating it again, it's 1125945547. so whosoever is the luckiest one, I request you, please confirm me in the comment section so I can give you at least a shout out to your name, and at the same time please confirm me if your trader ID is correct, so that I can make sure that these are added to the correct trading account. Let me tell you again, it's 1125945547. let me hide it again. Okay, so traders, whosoever is the luckiest one, please confirm me in the comment section so I can give you at least. It's me, sir. Thank you. Abhinav, many congratulations. I believe you are the one who won the last time also. Nice. I'm happy to see that you are so active in these sessions also. You are always participating, and I'm glad to see that you got a $5 RFT also, and I'm sure that you got the previous RFT also, the $10. In case if anything is missing, just let me know. And again, my congratulations to Abhinav Singh Rathore for winning $5 RFT. I was expecting that I'll be able to make it 6, 7 or more than that one, but unfortunately we were not having that much time available. But I'm sure that you learned about the strategy. So in today's conversation we have talked about basically 3 strategies: Millennium, Friday and Jagtar. And in case if you want to use this strategy, if you want to pick this strategy, if you want to learn about that one, I have talked about, or my colleagues have talked about this strategy so many times in the past. So just go to the playlist section, whichever language you are comfortable with, just open that specific playlist and then explore that strategy. I'm sure you will be getting a lot of information, and these strategies will be helping you to make some profit. But before coming to any conclusion that whether that strategy is working for you or not, or whether that is going to work for you or not, please make sure you use it on your demo account first. Learn about it, practice it on your demo account. Once you grab a hold on it, then take it to your live account, and also start with the bare minimum, like with the minimum investment amount. Okay, because I am always used to say that trading is not always about investing money. You have to invest some time also, and timing is in the form of learning part and in the practice part. Okay, so before concluding today's conversation, I wish you a great day, successful trading here. Thank you so much for being such a interactive audience. I wish you a great day, and stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning, keep earning, and make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. And thank you so much. This was your host, your buddy, your friend, your financial expert, Kunal Kapoor, for the day. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Cheers.